Namaskar, Namaste. Yes, this is your Papan Bhai. Again and again, our friends are asking me, sir, it is a long time since you have come, you please come. For a long time, nahi. Just last week only I came, na? Right. So, notification you all received. Many of you have expressed your sincere thanks, and now many of you are very happy also. I know that. So thank you very much for all your compliments. However, still lot of questions are there. Now many have started asking, sir, September आप लोगों ने बोल दिया, you have told September, whether opt out, opt in will come. There are some people who are unnecessarily trying to interpret our notification. And why so and so anxiety, and why some students are putting in Twitter and other places poll, let us go for an election or polling. Who wants opt out? By polling, do you think that the notification will change? We are here to help you. All the three institutes are here to help the student fraternity only. Each institute has council members. In their wisdom, they have taken a decision. So first of all, let us stop blaming others. I had already requested you. Don't compare. Will you like yourself to be compared with the neighbor children? See the beauty of the parents. If suppose the neighbor child gets the first rank, they will never curse that student or that child. What they will tell? My child also should get first rank. How to get first rank? So that is the beauty of the parents. Na? Like that, let us appreciate each and everyone's decision, and let us not blame this institute or that institute, or appreciate this institute or that institute. Yes, if you are satisfied with the decision, kindly acknowledge. If you are not satisfied, kindly let us know how we can improve in our decision. Already I told you, because I am coming in the video, I am telling your voice will be Papan Boy's voice in the council, and majority of you, what you wanted, we could get you, na? Same is the case with all the elected representatives. They will try. Okay, now coming to the point, the doubts. Sir, what about the verification result? Yes, verification result is almost over. Slowly, officials are able to come to the office. And however, still, I would like to inform you, some of our own officials, at least minimum 3 or 4, I have come to know that they are having COVID-19 positive. They are getting best treatment, they will be coming back safe. Some of the relatives of staff members, they have got this problem. So let us pray for them also. When we are praying for unknown people, why don't we pray for our own people? So once all of them come back, once the system is very clear and we are able to consolidate everything, results will be declared. Maximum, you please wait till July 15. Anyway, examination is postponed to September. When we use the postponement, some students started asking, sir, will it be cancelled? Will you go for December? अरे वो सितंबर आने दीजिए, उस टाइम में क्या है वो देख लेंगे, उसके बाद हम डिसाइड करेंगे ना. Let it come. When the days are nearby, again we will take stock of situation and we will take a call. And now that you have ample time, now many are asking, sir, shall I do one more group? Yes, I have already told you what is the procedure. Again, I am repeating in this video, those who have already applied for one group, before the cut-off date, whatever was mentioned earlier, say May 31st or whatever it is, they can download the application and fill it manually. That is offline application. Take the demand draft from the bank and scan both the application form and the demand draft and send it by mail to examination help desk. And please remember, exam help desk mail ID already you know. What I requested is you add one more mail ID, exam exam.dd2, deputy director, dd2, exam.dd2 @icmai.in. And if you feel so, I am repeating, copy, please mark to my mail ID. It is not that you send it directly to me, then I have to do another work of forwarding to the examination help desk. ऐसा नहीं है, not like that. Copy you can mark to me so that I can also follow that matter. Same is the case with a change of center. Though the cut-off date is over, even today I got 3 applications, we have done it, na? So please follow the same procedure. Only thing is you have to give your official name as per record, registration number, the present center and the change of center which you want. If it is in the same place, say Delhi, say Mumbai, say Chennai or Calcutta, don't expect that the institute will help you. It should be a different place, right? So don't worry for that. Then number 4, the question has come is, sir, what is that question? If we don't attend this exam, whether it will be treated as one attempt. I will explain very clearly. Even if you have paid the fees, if you don't sit physically in any examination, then it will not be treated as one attempt. So those who did not apply, there is no question of attempt. Even if you have paid fees, you have applied, but if you are not going to write the examination, it will not be treated as an attempt. Having said that, please understand there is a maximum limit fixed by the institute. What is that? Within 7 years, one has to complete this particular CMA course, whether intermediate, final, put together. So by any chance 7 years are over, you are not at all sitting in the examination, attempt will not be considered, agreed. But you may have to go for de novo registration, DENOVO, de novo registration. That is 7 years have expired. So we may have to fill in a specific form. The details are available in the website, and a nominal fee, whatever may be the fee fixed, that if you pay, again you will be continuing as a student. So am I clear with all this for this thing? Right. Now coming to the most important thing. सर एग्ज़ाम होगा या नहीं होगा, कुछ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑप्शन दिया है, कुछ इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं दे रहे हैं. वी आर ऑल कंफ्यूज वेदर इट इज CMA स्टूडेंट्स और CS स्टूडेंट्स और CA स्टूडेंट, all the 3 institutes. I am making it very clear. We are interested, at least your Pappanbai is interested. Shall I tell you what will be my option? First preference is your safety. Second preference, your safety. Third preference, your safety. Fourth preference, your safety. Fifth preference, your safety. We are so much worried about your safety like your own parents. In fact, for Father's Day, I got some messages from many of the students wishing me happy Father's Day. I felt very happy. If you treat us at that level, we want your safety and we want you to be with us. We are not worried about your writing examination with any sort of situation with anxiety, fear or tension. No. That doesn't mean that I don't want you to become a CA or a CMA or a CS. It is not like that. Understood? एग्ज़ाम आएगा, एग्ज़ाम जाएगा, वो मेरे को परवाह नहीं है. बट आई वॉन्ट माई चिल्ड्रन, माई स्टूडेंट्स टू विश मी इफ आई एम अलाइव for more years and years to come. That is more important. अरे पप्पन भाई आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं, हमें तो एग्ज़ाम भी देना है. Yes, but my opinion, you all asked my opinion, na? I am telling my opinion. First, your safety. You are comfortable. You are with me. That is more important for me. Yes. Let us learn to live with this COVID-19 situation. Take the precautions, whatever Prime Minister is telling, government is telling, health authorities are telling, chief ministers are telling, union territory chief ministers are telling, police are telling, authorities are telling. If we respect that, if we can be cautious. Sir, still some people are getting, yes, that is fate. But at least from our side to our conscience, let us try to be safe. Na? So for me, I am very clear. Still exams will be conducted by CMA institute or whichever institute you want to write. Okay. At least I am very clear. So don't use put the words into my mouth and make me tell that we will cancel. No, I will not use the word cancel. It is called postponement. Now another question have come. Sir, we never applied for this exam thinking that you people will conduct in June. We never applied. Arey, don't worry. Our Honorable President, CMA Balwinder Singh sir is very clear. He is the chairman of the examination committee. We have very good council members team, all elected representative of any institute for that matter. But I am telling about our CMA institute. You see the rule, if the gap between one examination and another examination is 4 months or more than that, you are eligible to apply. However, still, as a student, had I been in your place, I also would have demanded some notification. I have requested, we are discussing on it, and maybe we will come with a clear notification, right? So those who want to join for write a foundation examination in September, if it happens, write intermediate or final examination if it happens. The rule is very simple, which I have understood. So we are discussing. Maybe we have to take some official permission from government or MCA. That also we are checking, or whether we as an examination committee is having the power to allow you or permit you. You will get information on that also. So be prepared for that. So let us hope that everything will be okay, some medicine will be found out, we all are safe, and examination will be as per the schedule which has been told by the institute, right? However, again I am repeating, it is not for closing the books and enjoying alone. However, I am repeating, we will take stock of situation, and as and when required, we will come with notifications also. So please be safe, be happy, and by any chance you are very upset or you are frustrated, still you have anxiety, please don't show it at home. You have my number, na? I am in various groups. You try to reach me. Whatever this thing, you please shout at me, you fire me, you question me, you write this, you write that. Of course, unparliamentary words you can avoid. Nobody is doing that, I am telling. But don't show that anger and this thing to the parents or sister or mother, brother or grandmother or grandfather at home. Because one small this thing in our behavior, this thing immediately mother will understand. Father will not tell, but they will easily understand. And they will tell mother, have a check on that boy or girl. Right? Why should we give them tension? Na? Anything you have, you please write to me. You can call me. Of course, if I am busy, I might not pick up. If I am with so much work and this thing, out of tension, I might also react in a different style. Don't worry. You question me. Sir, in video you are very nice, but when we are calling you are, I may do that to convince you. But if you are able to convince me, I will surrender to your view. Matter over. Right? So please be safe. Do not worry about that. Again, I am repeating, don't spend too much time on studies, exam. Your age is for enjoyment. Please allocate some time for enjoyment. While enjoying, if possible, do studies as part of enjoyment. Maybe CMA course, maybe CA course, maybe CS course, or some other online course apart from this you want to do. Some of you have requested me, na? Sir, we have already studied, sir, but exam is not coming. अरे चलो छोड़ दो ना, वो भूल जाओ, एग्जाम जब आएगा तब लिखेंगे, रैंक भी ले लेंगे, उसमें क्या है? Why you are worried about this thing? Don't worry. Anything that is happening is for good. Anything that will happen is also for good. If you can have this mantra in your mind, you need not worry at all. And once again I am repeating you, please don't watch news when they show about this COVID-19. What is the use of watching all those news? Already you have tension, exam होगा या नहीं होगा, उसके बीच में ये COVID-19 को भी लेके आए, क्या यार, क्या करना है? Knowing that statistics, what is the No examination, whether CA or CMA or CR, they are not going to ask you what is the percentage of COVID in your containment zone. No question is going to come. Then why waste watching that and getting unnecessary tension, right? So just forget about all those things. Have a peaceful this thing. How to get a peace of mind? Best thing is, please pray for others, that they should be safe and they should be hale and healthy. When you pray for others, naturally you will forget all these worries. So these are the things which I thought I would like to convey with you. And of course, those who have passed out, they are asking, sir, what about our job? What about our thing? You don't worry about all these things. When we have to get job, or you try to become an entrepreneur, na? With your knowledge, why don't you become a GST consultant or some other type of consultant? Enjoy doing something, na? With the intermediate or final or whatever it is. Those who are really interested in job, why don't you search for jobs through online, work from home? That also you can try. Not necessarily that only after completion I will start studying. No. Your Papan Bhai also got a job when I was doing a group 1 or group 2. I completed, na? Both with work and this thing. So learn while you earn. You earn as well as you learn also. And learning has no limit. Even we are watching, those who have completed 55 years, 60 years, 65 years, 70 years, they are still studying and getting some degree or doctorate or completing RVO, means registered valuers examination, insolvency professional, that examination they are completing, independent directors they are completing. If for that age they are able to avoid TV serials, music and films and concentrate on studies, for your age, very simple, na? It's very easy. Okay, I think I have taken a little bit extra time because I also want to be in touch with you. Not only that, you all were demanding, and again you all are demanding, sir, live IEA, YouTube live IEA. You please arrange. Any one of you take the interest and you arrange. My only request was a mutually convenient date we will choose. And YouTube में क्या होता है, बहुत chat आता है. So if somebody can help me with the questions raised by, not that good evening sir, you are wonderful sir, you are useless sir, बढ़िया है, बेकार है, ऐसा I want the actual questions. If you want to ask, you can ask. So let us have that also. So break the chain, but not the relationship. We will maintain our relationship and become more stronger and stronger. And one more request, especially for the student fraternity, all the 3 institutes for that matter. Anything at institute level or something at top level, some discussion is going on, some exchange of words, exchange of letters. You please don't worry. These are all temporary, this thing, it will be resolved. Right? It will be resolved. If you don't like to call me as Padmanabhan, you don't like to call me as Papan Bhai, you are going to change my name and call me something. As long as you inform me that we are going to call you from tomorrow with this name, we are also ready to accept. Na? So those things and all you leave to top level this thing. And as a student or even as a members also, my request is let us not make everything of politics or publicity or this thing and fight. And you know one thing, chartered accountants also require cost and management accountants. Cost and management accountants also requires a company secretary. Company secretary also requires both of them. It is all mutual. Different role, different avatar. Everybody will see. You all have to work together. We all have to work together. If we all are together, you imagine all the 3 institutes are together. No foreign bodies can come into India. Our courses are the best. The best, I am telling you. Unnecessarily we are fighting or doing something, others are coming and marketing and taking away. ऐसा नहीं है. If anybody want to go abroad, that land, which course is popular, we have to do. That is there. So let it be an additional qualification. But among us, this thing. And my request is, don't post something calling somebody by name, calling somebody by this thing. Some immature persons of some other institute calling our former president some name. Why you are getting agitated? We know how to give the fitting reply. It is not that the Papan Bhai is coming very nicely, this thing and all. No, we are all more, people don't know who is Papan Bhai. We know. So those things you leave it to us, okay? Unnecessary tension and blood getting boiled, sir. Why blood getting boiled and all? Leave it. Na? Those things you leave it to us. Students, your role is your matter. You question me. For your right, you question me. Means question any elected representative of any institute for that matter. That is your right. Other things, please leave it to the top person and the government and the MCA. It will be taken care of. This is also one request I want to tell, because some of the students I am watching every time coming in Twitter or somewhere or the other with something or the other and claiming that I have got this much like, sir, this, sir, that. What is that? Facebook also, many people are putting like for my photo. Whether they like it or not, they will think that Papan Bhai should not feel that I did not put like, ek like maar do. The question is, we want result, na? That is important. It is not number of likes. Yes, we have to reach someone. They should understand who are we. Therefore, that like button and that reach, hashtag and everything are required. But don't have envy for between among us. Chartered accountant is supreme. Company secretary is supreme. Cost and management accountants also are supreme. When we are telling others are supreme, doesn't mean that please don't take it as a Papan Bhai's weakness. It is our magnanimity. So at least as students, my request is that let us not involve in all those things. This is my, because I am watching, na? Because you have so much affection. Chartered accountant students have great affection for their institute. Company secretary students are having more affection for their institute. CMA students are having more and more affection for CMA institute. Ultimately, we all are one only, na? Indian citizens of India. Let us be together and say good about others, and by virtue of this thing or that thing, try to help others. If at all we cannot help others, at least let us not tell bad about others and ditch others. So you please take care of your mindset, your attitude. I want you to be calm. And by your action, you prove that you are a wonderful professional. Be it CA or CS or CMA, you prove, na? Because the youth, everything is in your hand. The future, we all are watching you only. You have to take care of this country. Our country should be number one. Okay. Thank you. I will next time let us come with some more this thing. Together, and togetherness really matters for anything. I am telling you. So thank you. We will catch up later. This is your Papan Bhai taking leave, right? We will be in touch. Bye bye.